Let me show you two different ways how to install these hooks for your LED spotlights. First, as you see on this clip, we can actually take this first arm out. So make sure it's like this. Then what you have to do is for the first method, so you simply take basically this side where you have the tiny hook, and you see you have two arms here on the light. So what you want to do is, so where this right side, simply push it on like this. And then as you see, I will simply with my other finger literally just get it on like this. So you see, squeeze it and it's on. And then after that also replace inside the spring just like this. So again, let's do it once more up close. So you see you have taken out the first top part, simply insert it on the first arm. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then simply squeeze this together and push it on. Okay, and insert it inside. And for the next method, you can also use the pliers. First, make sure you have this top part off, so out like this. And then simply first the left side, basically where you do not have the hook, simply push it on like this. Then simply take your tweezers and simply grab them over here, basically right near the spring, the tiny hook. And you see, you should be able to actually, okay, hard to show while filming. Okay, so see what I'm doing, basically, I will simply snap it on like this. So let's repeat it. Taking my tweezers, and you simply, see, you can like hold it here, push it inwards, and then put it on there. And finally again, place this inside. Okay, this is how they look like. Okay, good luck.